What's going on, people? In today's video I'll be showing you the easiest and the fastest way to color grade your DJI drone footage using your tablet or your phone. Now, to start off with, all you will need is the Lightcut Edit app, which is available on iOS and Android. Once you've downloaded your D-Log M or your D-Log footage from your drone or your DJI Fly app, you next want to open the Lightcut Edit app. Now, it's very simple. The one benefit about the DJI Lightcut app, you can connect your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, your Osmo Pocket 2, your DJI Action Camera 1, 2, 3, 4, your drone to the app and directly download the footage there. Now, once I open the app, the first thing I tap into is New Project. Now, once you're on New Project, you want to click on the footage, select Next. So once you have your footage downloaded into the app, you then want to click at the bottom where you see Filter. Then once you've clicked onto Filter, you should see a question mark with the color recovery next to glamour effects. You next want to click on the color recovery tab. And once you click onto the color recovery tab, this is where all the magic is, and this is how quick it is to color grade your footage and send it over to a client. You next want to select from the list of DJI products the DJI product you are using. You then are granted with D-Log M. If you selected, for example, the DJI Air series, you have the option for the D-Log M, D-Log M and D-Log M. And with the Air series, that is pretty much the Air 3S, the Air 3 and the Air 2S. Now, you can play along and use any, whichever suits your, floats your boat. For me, with the DJI Avata 1, I was using the DJI Avata 2 LUT. Now that you've selected your drone, you then want to select the D-Log M. Now, once you select your desired LUT and you now select on the adjust panel, you now have the option to rectify the color grading and make minor adjustments or major. DJI themselves recommend the Lightcut Edit app on their website, and how a lot of people will say DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, autocorrect, color grade, whatever app you want to use or software. I have found this is the easiest way and the fastest way to make natural looking drone footage, and the fastest way to get your work out there, or the fastest way to provide work to clients. So I have found the DJI Lightcut Edit app to be the most ease of use, the fastest way of color grading my drone footage. It makes it so easy that I can color grade in 5 minutes or less on my phone or iPad and send footage over to clients. It also means I'm quicker with my previews, my delivery, and honestly, I haven't had any much manual adjustments to do once I've selected that color grading. With DaVinci Resolve and other various platforms, you could be there for hours color grading, watching 100 tutorials. With the Lightcut Edit app, this should be the only tutorial you need to use the app. I mean, there are other various features like one tap edit, and there are loads and loads and loads of presets, templates that you can use to acquire some amazing drone footage. Now, if you found that this video helped you, please leave a like and stay tuned for the next video.